second best player of this match. We have Tessa Puyo coming from the BFP Lady Firefighters. Congratulations sa inyong kupunan. Tessa, nagbago ba kayo ng preparation nyo going up against the NCMH? Kasi the last time NCMH played really well kontra din sa kupunan ng AFP Lady Gunners. So I'm sure nakita niyo yun.
Every team po na makakalaban namin, pinag-ahandaan po namin kasi nire-respeto po sila namin. So, during practice po, pinag-aaralan po namin yung every game din nila and yun po, ginagawa po namin yung best namin and nire-ready po namin yung subs namin para sa every game po namin kung sino man makakalaban po.
What about the plans of the team, no? You have 3 more games remaining dito sa ating second round. Makakarap niyo pa dyan ng PhilHealth, ang AFP at DFA. Ano ang plano niyo? Dahil ang target ng inyong kupunan is to be at least at the top 2, no? Para may automatic seat kayo doon sa ating semifinals round.
Ganun pa din po ever since po sa unang game namin po, trabaho lang po kasi po yun talaga yung goal namin po is marating po namin yung championship. So every game po is very important. So yun lang po, trabaho talaga po.